Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply, and today we're at the Lofts at Town Center, which is a mixed-use facility. We have obviously lofts and apartments, and then we have commercial setting where there are businesses, so it's a multi-use facility. Wanted to talk about our family legacy Aqua Armour product line and its use in mixed use, so residential and commercial, over slab, below grade, those kinds of things. Great, easy installation, great cleanability, and looks like new and will stay like this for years and years to come. Comes in the particular floor that we're looking at today at the Lofts here at Town Center is the quartz. It's a nice bright color, give you that little bit hint of country since we're out in the country. You also have this material available in a tile, just a different style. It's not, 48 inches long and 7 inches wide. We're looking at something that's 12 inches by 24. The ones here for the flooring, the 4 foot by 7 inch, that material also has 4 more colors available that are not on this board. So go to cityfloorsupply.com, you'll be able to see all the new colors as well. As we continue down the hallway here in the lobby of the Lofts Town Center in Dublin, I wanted to take note that Aqua Armour product line is fire rated for elevators. So if that's a concern or a question that a builder may have with regard, or architect with regard to specification, for the installer, this is fire rated for an elevator. Another accessory in the line for Aqua Armour, aside from the preformed bullnose tread, would be just your standard stair nose, starter stair. Product is pretty traditional. It's a 9 foot long molding piece. You would use it, maybe at the top of the staircase if you were doing a hallway. I've even seen people use these for each tread before these treads came out, the molded treads, and then would use the actual flooring behind it, since we're looking at the same thickness here. So one of the other molding profiles available with Aqua Armour is a threshold. So you're going to have transitions that typically go from, say, a family room into a bedroom. This profile is meant to click and install with the Aqua Armour profile. So the thickness of the Aqua Armour is going to match the thickness of the threshold. There's also reducers available. So there's a whole line of molding profiles with the Aqua Armour line that work well and transition well into carpet areas, tile areas, linoleum, those kinds of things.